Oh my gosh, you guys! I'm so excited to share these delicious new paint colors with you. You know how we all scream for ice cream? Well, now we can paint with it too. Like, not literally, but Sherwin-Williams has just launched this amazing ice cream-inspired paint collection for summer 2025, and I'm obsessed. Get ready to transform your space into a sweet, nostalgic wonderland that'll have you feeling all the summer vibes. Let's dive into these yummy shades, shall we? First up, we have Salted Caramel from Dutch Boy Paints. How cute is that? It's this gorgeous light orange that's giving me all the cozy, delectable feels. You can pair it with earthy tones or keep it chill with neutrals. I'm thinking accent wall in the living room, or maybe upcycling that old dresser you've been meaning to revamp. Next on our flavor menu is Lemon by Krylon Meringue. This dusty yellow is like sunshine in a can. It's perfect for brightening up a bedroom or home office. You know what would be so fun? Painting your door in this shade for a pop of happy every time you come home. Last but not least, we have Mint Chip from Minwax. It's actually a wood stain, you guys. How cool is that? This refreshing green has a total vintage 70s vibe, but it can modernize your bathroom, kitchen, or bedroom in a snap. I'm literally dying to try this on a kitchen island. Now, let's talk about how to rock these ice cream-inspired hues in your home. The best part? These colors are super versatile. You can use them on walls, furniture, trim, shelves, pretty much anywhere you want to add a touch of whimsy. And they're designed to energize your space and boost your mood. I mean, who doesn't feel happy when they think about ice cream, right? These shades are giving us all the nostalgic, playful vibes, but they're also totally on trend. You can find them at places like Lowe's, Ace Hardware, and even Amazon. They launched for National Ice Cream Day, but trust me, these flavors, colors, are delicious all year round. All right, my sweet-toothed design lovers, are you ready to give your home a delicious makeover? I can't wait to see how you use these ice cream-inspired colors. Drop a comment and let me know which flavor, color, you're most excited to try. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more yummy design inspo. Let's do this! Time to paint ourselves a summer sundae.